All right, drink we're about to make is called Rooster Tail. Cock-a-doodle-doo. All right, let's go ahead and set up some shot glasses here. You're going to need 3 shot glasses for this drink. This is just for one person. Now, we're going to fill the first one up with some tequila. All right. We're going to fill the next one up with some orange juice. Get that vitamin C. And the next with tomato juice. Nice and thick. All right, so far we've got a nice array of colors. And now what we're going to do is, to take the shot, you want to lick your hand, put a little bit of salt on there. And you're going to lick the salt and take the shot of tequila first. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to tell you. Next, you're going to do the orange juice. And finally, the tomato juice. And after that, give a nice cock-a-doodle-doo. That's going to be fun, right? Bottoms up.